So we have some another option. For example, if we have a center line or we have a walkway or anything about the roads, or client is need about the coordinate for these lines, so you can just create the line and you can just select this object line. And if you select this one and go to create points, click on this create points. Once you click on these create points, you can go to this option here and you will see that polyline vertical manual, and you can see polyline vertical automatic. So both the same option which we explained, same as it is for the only point. So select this one and it will call you default elevation or what you want. So you can just select this one and go to the points, this small arrow, and select this point, this one option. Okay, so just select and select this one and press enter. Select this one line. Now you can see that its point is created successfully. So this is the same way. For example, if we have here another polyline, we can see it. So as per your requirement, you can just easily create how much points you want. You can easily create from here. Okay, so let me create this one. And you can also see the description, points, point level style. So just select here and go to this option and click on this manual automatic. So you can just check it, the elevation. It's ask you the elevation, how much you want to enter elevation. You can enter elevation from here. So press any elevation, or you don't want, so here you need to select the polyline. Just select the polyline. Once you select polyline, press enter from your keyboard. It will create all the points on the corners. So if you want to make a vertex here, you can just add vertex, and also again you can create points. So if you want to go to create points on this automatically, you can also select it automatically and go to these points and select it the polyline vertex automatically. So you can just click on this polyline and now it will create all points automatically. In the manual, you need to create, enter all the details manually. In the automatic, it will provide you everything automatically. So this is the difference between manual and automatical. I hope this video is helpful. We will see in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.